In this video, we will go through the steps to import orders via the copy-paste option. All we need to import with this method is a list of addresses that we plan to visit in one day. With my Excel sheet handy, I will just copy all of these addresses in order to paste them into the open space within that option. When we click the Import Orders button, we will choose the option for Copy and Paste. With my addresses already copied, I simply need to paste them into this blank space. The information we can control from this window is the date we plan to optimize these orders on, and the length of time each order will take. This, of course, assumes that each order will take the same amount of time, but for the sake of this video, I will just choose 6 minutes. With that, we can now click Import Orders. Once our orders have been imported, we are taken to the Geocode page. Here, all of our orders are listed for address verification. Green is a good sign and means that the software found the correct match for the inputted address. Orange is a partial match, meaning there may be more than one possible address to match the one we have inputted. To verify this, we click on Edit and open up Edit Location window. From here, we can correct or add information to the address such as the zip or postal code. I see that this is not the address I want, so I will retype the correct one. I'm shown here the address I actually wanted, so I will click it and the pin now moves to the right location. If by chance you happen to know or have found the GPS coordinates, they can be corrected here, or you can simply drag this pin to where you know your address to be. Once we are satisfied with how this looks, we can click Save and check the rest of our addresses. Sometimes an orange partial match will be the correct location, but it will still be beneficial to open up and verify the address. If you ever see it say in red, "Not found," then you will be required to go in and manually correct the address before you can move forward. Since they are all green, we can click Save and finish our import. Now we have returned to the main page. We can see all of our orders as pins on the map here and listed below with further information. This concludes our video for importing orders via copy and paste. Optimize your business with OptimoRoute.